Hey, Tim Unkert here, and during this time when you don't have much going on, you may want to start a blog. So I'm going to do a video on starting a blog, and we're going to go through buying a domain name, and then redirecting it toward your hosting and installing WordPress. Okay, so I'm going to buy a domain name. I'm logged in through my Namecheap account. I have a few domains here, and I'm going to search for a domain name. And I thought a good domain name for me would be random Tim, since my name is Tim, uh, because I am pretty random. And this blog, I want to have no real purpose to the blog other than just to write during this time because I like writing. Okay, so randomtim.com. Ah, and it's available. They have some. Let's call this a solo. It's like entrepreneur with solo at the beginning. I can't pronounce it, but anyway. You could just buy this for your own domain as well. Normally at Namecheap, they have the cheapest domains. Those are $8.88 per year. I'm going to add this to my cart, randomtim.com. Okay. And we're going to go, I don't want any of this extra stuff. Don't want any of that. This is a random blog just for fun. We're going to go to checkout. I'll keep the auto renew on. Who is guard? It's free forever. I'm going to keep that on. It'll renew at whatever price it renews. If I want to renew it in a year, I mean, it might just be a fun blog to buy and just do. Okay, so I want to confirm my order. Okay, so now I'm going to enter my card information, so I'm not going to show that. So I'm going to pause the video at this point. Pause it. I now have gone through and ordered the domain. So now I'm going to click on just click on domains. Nope, that's not what I want. Bear with me 1 second here. Here the other day. So, let me pause it for a moment. Okay, sorry about that. What I need to do is go up here. I'm going to go to my dashboard. That's where I. Okay, now I want to go to. Okay, right to here, and we see we have randomtim.com. Okay, and I am going to manage that. I'm going to click on manage. And I'm going to scroll down here a little bit. And so where it says name servers, this is where I want to get my name servers and change them. I'm going to put in some custom name servers. Okay, that just points it toward my hosting package. So I'm going to go log into my cPanel. Okay. Okay, now if I scroll down on the right here, I'm going to see where my name servers are. I'm going to copy those and put those back in the domain. For security reasons, I'm not going to show that, but just keep in mind you're going to scroll down on this side. Now, there'll be two name servers in the HostGator. Okay, if you're doing it through a different one, you may have to find them a different way, a different hosting package like GoDaddy or something like that. I used to do GoDaddy. I think they were in their cPanel, they were on the left, maybe. But just Google it or contact someone. Where do you get your name servers? So I'm going to pause the video, put the custom name servers in so I can point my domain at my hosting package. Okay. I'll be back with you in 1 sec after I've done that. Okay, I've changed my name servers. It did mention that it may take up 48 hours to take effect. Usually it's a couple hours. I found the other day it was probably less than an hour. We'll see today. Okay, so I'm kind of done with Namecheap, so I'm just gonna get out of here. Sign out. Done with Namecheap. Okay, so over here, get that out of the way. I want to do an add-on domain. So actually, I'm going to go on add-on domains. All right, so I'm going to put randomtim.com. Fill that in for a subdomain. I usually create them. You have up to like 100 on the one that I'm doing. It's you can do the HostGator. I think it's called the business plan that I'm using. Even though I don't run a business, it lets me do a lot of things. There's also I think it's the hatchling is the one for one domain, and the baby, which I'm thinking of switching to, is one that allows unlimited domains. Do I want an FTP? Sure, I'll probably change this. I'm going to put in some password just in case I wanted to at some point upload stuff via FTP. We're going to add. Okay, so I got a note that the add-on domain, it's, randomtim, has been created. Okay. Now I want to find Softaculous. Okay. Search for that and hopefully that'll come up. Softaculous. Okay. And I want to do, well, you can see WordPress is right here. But you can also look at the blogs, go click on WordPress. Okay, WordPress is a website. Create a beautiful website or blog. Random Tim's a beautiful blog. We'd like to say that WordPress is both free and priceless at the same time. Great. Okay, I'm going to click on install now. I want the latest version. I'm going to install it HTTPS in randomtim.com. Okay. It'll be randomtim. And my site description is Tim's random posts and thoughts. Pretty random. I'm not going to enable multi-site. I'm going to put a username. I'm not going to select any theme. I'm just going to go with the default theme and pause this one moment, put my email in, and I'm going to click install. So, it's installing. Okay, so I'm going to pause it a bit because it's not going to be, most likely I'm going to go here and not see anything yet because they haven't, the name server they haven't redirected it yet. So I might pause and have to wait for a moment. And then I would go to this address and use my login information. So I've given it some time. I've logged in my cPanel. I'm going to go to randomtim.com and I'll now see that it's up. It's got the basic word, the 2020 theme. But I want to log in, and I'm going to do /WP admin, log in. Okay, and now I'll type my user. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so now I put in my login information. Remember me. And I'm logging in, and I'm ready to start to go. So that concludes the video of how to install WordPress. I'll probably do some videos on some security plugins you want to put in at a later point. But for now, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching.